What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off work offline mode in Microsoft Outlook. So first you need to head over to any of the browser and then you need to search for the Outlook's website by just typing outlook.live.com, and after that you need to head over your login or sign up page. After that, after logging in or signing up, you will be welcomed to the homepage of Outlook, wherein on the right side you can see this gear-like icon, which is the settings icon. Click on this and then click on General. After clicking on General, you will see this tab of Offline. Click on this Offline option, and then from here at the top on the right side, you will see Enable Offline Email, Calendar, and People. If this toggle is turned on or it is in blue color, so just click on this and then turn this toggle on the left side, or turn it to black or gray color, so then it will be turned off. When the toggle has been turned off or is in the left side, it means this feature has been turned off, and this is how you can turn off the offline mode in Microsoft Outlook email. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.